welcome to my channel. It's been a minute since I posted on this channel, so we are back. I will try to keep things short. So this one is gonna be just a haul. The PR haul, but I'm gonna post another one. Hopefully it was just some Gymshark or some clothes. Anyways, I think we should get started on Kiehl's. This is bag number 1. I have 2 products from Kiehl's. This one's the first one. This looks so cool. Like, props to Kiehl's. 1 Ultra Facial Cream. This is a refillable. I didn't even know this was a thing. This is so cool. Props to Kiehl's for this, like, that they invent this. Refillables are great. It's also like sustainable too. And this one is the Ultra Facial Cream, the famous Ultra Facial Cream, because it's just so good, especially if you have like a dry skin. This is perfect. I remember when I was like in New York, I would use it a lot. Now I just switch back and forth depending on the season here in California because it's not as harsh. Then we have this creme de corpse. It's French, so I'm butchering it probably, but it's essentially the whipped body butter. Can't speak. Whipped body butter with soy milk and honey. It has also shea and jojoba butter. I think that's how you say it. I'm excited for this one. This one sounds really, really good. This is the coolest one ever, because this is what the packaging is for. Ooh, started thing like this. Ooh, okay. I didn't destroy it. I did not destroy it. It's supposed to look like this. It's a display model, essentially. That's cool. I already kind of unboxed it, but it's like a very quick one. It's essentially like their bronzer, or more like a tanner. No, bronzer. I'm gonna call it a bronzer. They sent me some stuff. I already kind of sent some of them to my sister, so I assume there's a couple of them here. Sorry about that. I forgot to record it. Now I just realized that I already shipped it. So this is supposed to be like summer glow, essentially. And this one is like the darkest one. It gives you that like very, very tanned look. Yeah, there's this setting spray here that I can spray it on afterwards so that I don't stain my clothes, because that's my biggest nightmare. I had like last time I even used like a sunscreen that was tinted. It went into my color of my shirt, and it is over for that shirt, needless to say. Anyways, they have like a bunch of colors. Like you guys can see, someone has a little bit of shimmer. They're all kind of glossy, I have to be honest. They're not like matte. But that's one reason I'm saying that this is great for red carpet or events. Or if you're going out somewhere, you want to add some color to your skin, but also a little bit of shimmer. This is kind of cool. Ignore that these two are not here. This is from CeraVe. Or CeraVe. I think it's CeraVe or CeraVe. I always forget how to pronounce it, but this is from CeraVe. I'm gonna go with that. You are invited to be head of CeraVe. Okay. Cool. I know that was gonna rip it up. Whoa. This is crazy. You guys see this? I didn't realize they reviewed this many products. Shampoo. Gentle hydrating shampoo, gentle hydrating conditioner. Then we have anti-dandruff, right? Is that how you say it? Hydrating shampoo. Another conditioner. It is I just forgot the name of this. You just stick it behind your phone, and you can, you know, stick it anywhere and take pictures. There's like a little cute package, cute box here. Let me see what this is. No way! There's the LED ring light that I can put on top of my phone. This is cool. I definitely need something like this because when it gets dark, it's like so pointless. Great. Oh my god. Thank you, CeraVe. I was legit, when they told me that they're sending me something, I was not expecting anything like this. No more dandruff. CeraVe. Wait, behind it says Saturday Night Live. What? I didn't know that. Wait, were they like sponsoring Saturday Night Live? What? I did not know this. This is so cool. I am speechless. Thank you, CeraVe. This is amazing. I will link some of the products from here in case you guys want to check it out yourself. Obviously not in this packaging, but like just the product, individual products if you want to check them out. But yeah, I will catch you guys on the next one, and hopefully I will be more consistent on this channel with the long form content.